I'm Wendy Zent.
And I'm Andy Lee, and we're here today to talk about the Rochester Splash Pad. Over the last couple of years, we have gone with our grandchildren to splash pads in local communities, and so we started talking last summer how nice it would be for Rochester to have one. Splash pads are great because it provides an opportunity for families to get together with their friends and play, lots of fun activities when it's hot outside, give the kids some exercise. And you girls would like a splash pad to play in, wouldn't you? Yes?
Marley here is holding up a picture of what the splash pad will look like. We've contacted a gentleman out of Ohio that will be here hopefully in April. And the splash pad's going to have a couple of dump buckets. It'll have an umbrella. It'll have some fish and a lot of little jets to spray the kids. Quinley, was there something you wanted in particular at the splash pad? What was that?
A frog.
A frog. And I think we've got that in there, don't we? Yeah?
Can we have one? Can I tell what I want?
You sure can.
I want a little bitty slammy pool that we can touch with. Not on our tiptoes if we really want to.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We have been approved to put this in the park, the Rochester City Park. It'll be right between Manitou Mountain and the pavilion. There's an open area there. It'll be 20 foot by 40 foot. We've started some fundraising, and we would like to really thank the local businesses for coming out and supporting us. Fedco has been a marvelous help. We would just really appreciate it if you would consider us for some funding. You kids would really appreciate it, wouldn't you?
Thank you.
Thank